Hello. Now, today we will do class ninth math chapter 2 polynomial exercise 2.4. Okay. So, before doing exercise 2.4, let us recall remainder theorem and factor theorem. So, what the remainder theorem has said, when a polynomial whose degree is greater than or equal to is 1, when we divide by x minus a, then the remainder is pa. Then the remainder is pa. It means when we put the value of a, whatever it is, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, when we put the value of x is a, then the remainder become pa. Remainder become pa. Okay. And what the factor theorem, when we put the value of a in the given polynomial and a polynomial become 0, if the polynomial becomes 0, then that polynomial x minus a form is a factor of the given polynomial. Okay. So here is the, in place of x minus a, here is the value is x plus a, x plus 1. So x plus 1 is equal to 0. It means x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. Okay. So it is px is equal to x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. So p minus 1 is equal to minus cube plus minus 1 square plus minus 1 plus 1. Okay. So minus the cube of minus 1 is minus 1. So minus 1 ka square is plus 1, plus minus minus plus 1. Okay. So minus 1 cancel out plus 1, minus 1 cancel out plus 1. It means at minus 1 the whole polynomial is 0. So yes, it is, yes, x plus 1, x plus 1 is factor. Okay. Factor of a given polynomial. Next, same here. So you will put here minus 1. So it is minus 1 ka power 4 plus minus 1 ke power cube plus minus 1 ke power square plus 1. So minus ka power even number become plus. So minus ke power if even, then the we get plus sign. When we minus ke power odd, then we get minus sign. So here the minus ke power, this is odd, so it is minus 1, and minus ka square is again plus 1 and plus 1. Okay. Plus cancel out what we got, that is 2. So p minus 1 is 2. So it is not equal to 0. It is not equal to 0. So no, x plus 1 is not a factor, not a factor of given polynomial. Okay. Of given polynomial. Okay. So now next is question number third of the question number um, 3. So the question number third is x की power 4 plus 3x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1. So p minus 1, minus 1 का power 4 plus 3 minus 1 के power 3 plus 3 minus 1 का power square plus minus 1 plus 1. Okay, again minus के power if the even, then it is positive. Again minus के power is odd, so it is minus 1 is 3 plus minus के power even, so positive. So 3 plus minus minus plus 1. Okay. So 3 is 3 cancel out. The sign of 3 is plus and minus, plus minus cancel out. Again plus, sign of my 1 is minus and sign of 1 is plus. So what is get? So p minus 1, 0, which is not equal to 0. This is not equal to 0. So no, it is not a factor. So no, x plus 1 is not a factor, is not a factor. Okay, I hope so you are getting and it is easy. So last one of this question number 1 is x cube minus x square minus 2 plus root 2 x plus root 2. Okay, so now we put again minus 1 here. So minus 1 ka cube minus 1 ka square minus 2 plus root 2 minus 1 plus root 2. It means minus ka cube is again minus because the power is odd. Minus ke power even, that is a plus. So minus. So minus minus plus. So you will open the bracket and root 2. It means minus 2 plus 2 root 2 plus root 2. Okay. So it is cancel out. It is cancel out. So root 2 is 2 root 2. It is not equal to 0. It is not equal to 0. So no, it is not a factor. No, x plus 1 is not a factor. Is not a factor. Okay. Easy. So it is question number 1. So now question number 2, use the factor theorem. So here is verify you are using only factor theorem. Okay, determine gx is a factor of px. Okay, whether gx, check here, gx is a factor of px or not. आपको यहाँ करना है कि gx is a factor of px or not, or by factor theorem. So when we put the value of gx, it means x plus 1 in this equation. Okay, so here is x plus 1, it means value of a is x is minus 1. So when we put the value of x here, if the whole polynomial becomes 0, then yes, gx is a factor of px. Same as question number 1. So यहाँ पर gx की वैल्यू यानी x इज प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 0, 0 पुट करेंगे और देखेंगे फैक्टर थ्योरम से कि अगर x की वैल्यू 0, x की वैल्यू रखने पर होल पॉलिनोमियल बिकम 0. अगर होल पॉलिनोमियल अगर 0 हो जाता है तो यस gx उसका फैक्टर है. सो लेट x प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 0. सो x इज इक्वल टू माइनस 1. x इज इक्वल टू minus 1. Okay, so put here minus 1. So 2 minus 1 का cube plus minus 1 का square minus 2 into minus 1 minus 1. So minus का odd is always, minus का power odd is always minus. The 2 here is minus 1. You will write here the power of this is minus 2. बिकॉज माइनस का पावर अगर ऑड है तो हमेशा वैल्यू किस में आएगी, माइनस, और 2 बन जा 2. सो हियर पावर इज इवन, सो प्लस ही होगा यहाँ पे. माइनस माइनस प्लस और ये हो गया माइनस. माइनस 2 से प्लस 2 कैंसिल, प्लस 1 से माइनस 1. सो p माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 0 यानी माइनस 1, यानी gx की वैल्यू यानी x इज इक्वल टू 1 रखने पर द होल पॉलिनोमियल बिकम 0. ओके, सो यस gx is factor of px. Okay, I hope so, no problem you have. So question number 2 है px is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 and gx is equal to x plus 2. 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 So here Again you will do this. X plus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 2. x is equal to minus 2. ओके, x की वैल्यू मुझे क्या रखनी है, माइनस 2 रखनी है. फिर चेक करो कि वैल्यू 0 है या नहीं है. सो p माइनस 2 इज इक्वल टू माइनस 2 का क्यूब प्लस 3 माइनस 2 का स्क्वायर प्लस 3 माइनस 2 प्लस 1. ओके, minus 2 plus 1. So minus 2 का cube again is minus because minus की power odd is always minus. So 2 का 2 2 जा 4 4 2 जा 8. Okay, minus का power is even so plus ही होगा यहाँ पे. So 2 2 जा 4 और 4 3 जा 12. So minus 6 plus 1. Okay, so you get p minus 2 is equal to, this is 13, 12 plus 13 and minus 8 minus 6 minus 14. So we get minus 1 which is not equal to 0. Which is not equal to 0. ये 0 के equal नहीं है. So no gx. No, here is, we will write here no gx is not factor of px. Okay, I hope so you are getting it. Okay, so again we are seeing that 2 ke power cube, that is minus 8. 2 2 are 4, 4 3 are 12. Okay, 3 2 are 6. Okay, so now the last one of question number 2 of 3 is, the third one is px. Px is x cube minus 4x square plus x plus minus 6 and gx is equal to x minus 3. Okay, x minus 3, it means x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 3. Okay, so now put 3 here. So 3 ka cube minus 4 3 ka square plus 3 minus 6. So 3 ka cube is 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27. 3 ka square is 9 plus 3 minus 6. So 27 minus 9 4 ja 36 plus 3 minus 6. So first of all, this one. So here is plus x cube plus here is plus 1 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Okay, so here is, so these are the plus sign. So 27 or 3 is 30, 30 plus 36 minus 36 is equal to 0. So p3 is equal to 0. If it is 0, it means yes, gx is factor of px. Okay, gx is a factor of px. I hope so you got it, the question number 2 of exercise 2.4. Okay, so now come to the question number 3. So we will do question number 3 of chapter 2 polynomial exercise 2.4. So in the next video we will do question number 4 and 5. So now here is the question number 3. Find the value of k. Find value of k if x plus 1, so here is x minus 1, x minus 1 is a factor, x minus 1 is a factor of px, x minus 1 is a factor of px in each of the following, in each of the following, in each of the following, in each of the following cases, in each of the following cases. The first one is px is equal to x square plus x plus 1. Okay, so x minus 1, x minus 1, it means x minus 1 चेक करिए ये अगर फैक्टर है, गिवन है, इट इज अ फैक्टर. ओके, सो 1 की वैल्यू रखिए, फिर k की वैल्यू निकालिए. इट मींस x इज इक्वल टू 1 आपको रखना है और k की वैल्यू मुझे निकालनी है. दिस इज kx. Okay, kx. So now let p minus 1 is equal to x square. Sorry, here is, and what is given? It means x minus 1 is a factor. X minus 1 is a factor of px. और अगर x minus 1 उसका फैक्टर है, इट मीन्स गिवन है कि p की वैल्यू 1 रखने पर द पॉलिनोमियल इज 0. पॉलिनोमियल उसका क्या है? 0 है, फैक्टर है. गिवन है कि फैक्टर है. अगर फैक्टर है तो 1 रखने पर पॉलिनोमियल 0 है ऑलरेडी, इट इज गिवन. ओके, सो p1 is equal to 1 का स्क्वायर प्लस k into 1 plus 1, and given में दिया हुआ है कि p1 is 0 and it is 1 1 जा 1, k 1 जा k plus 1. It means 0 is equal to k plus 2. It means 2 here is a plus, उधर जाएगा तो माइनस होगा. So minus 2 is equal to k. It means k is equal to minus t. 2 will be your answer. Okay, easy it is. So again question number 2, same सब कुछ given है ये. This one is a given one. By using it, question number 2 is 2x square plus kx plus root 2. It means p की वैल्यू 1 रखिए अगेन. So 2 1 का स्क्वायर प्लस k into 1 plus root 2. So p1 is equal to 0. It is given 2 1 जा 2 plus k 1 जा k plus root 2. So आपको k की वैल्यू निकालनी है, तो k is this side as it is. Now 2 and root 2 going to the next side. So 2 become minus 2 and root 2 become minus root 2, and k, it means the answer of k is minus 2 root 2 plus root. Okay, I hope so you have a no problem with it. I'm rubbing it. Okay, so we have a more questions, that is a third question, 3 and 4. So let us do question number 3 and 4. So third is px is equal to kx square minus root 2x plus 1. It means p1 is equal to k1 का square minus root 2 into 1 plus 1. So p1 is equal to 0. So k1 minus 2 plus 1, k को as it is रख दीजिए, root 2 को आप उस साइड लीजिए 2 और minus 1. It means k is equal to root 2 minus 1. Okay, so fourth one, px is equal to kx square minus 3x plus k. Okay, so p की वैल्यू 1 रखिए. So k into 1 का स्क्वायर minus 3 into 1 plus k. So this becomes 0. k का 1 का स्क्वायर k 3 1 जा 3 and this is k. So 0, k plus k is 2k minus 3. So 2k is equal to 3. 3 going to this side. So k is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, so now this is question number 1 2 3 of exercise 2.4 chapter 2 polynomial class 9th. Okay, So in the next video we will do question number 4 and 5 of exercise 2.1.